Making your first options trade can be a daunting task. There are so many things to consider, and it's hard to know where to start. In this video, we will walk you through the process of placing an options trade on the Tastyworks trade platform. We will cover everything from creating an account to submitting the order. By the end of this video, you will have all the information you need to make your first options trade. We discuss how to create an account on Tastyworks, how to place your first trade on Tastyworks, and what to do after your order is filled. Real quick guys, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below as well as comment and let me know your thoughts on the video. Also be sure and grab the free Simplified Options Strategies Trading Guide. I'll put a link down below. It covers the different options strategies, setups, how and when to put them on, max profit, and trade management. It's a great guide to have by your side when trading options. The first thing you need to do is create an account on Tastyworks. You can do this by going to the website tastyworks.com and clicking on the Open an Account button. You will then need to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once you've entered your information, you will need to create a username and password. Once you've created your account, you will need to fund it. You can do this by linking your bank account using an ACH. It's the easiest way. You just enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. This links your bank account to the Tastyworks account. The best thing is all transfers in and out are free. Once you've funded your account, you're ready to start trading. Now that you have your account set up and funded, you are ready to place your first trade. To do this, you will need to download the Tastyworks trade platform to your laptop or desktop computer. It's right there on the website. Just click on it. It's easy to do. There's a mobile app as well that you can download to your phone. Now you open the platform and go to the Trade tab. You will then need to enter the ticker symbol for the stock or ETF that you want to trade. In this case, we're going to sell a put option in EWZ, the Brazil ETF. If you want to know why we are selling versus buying, check out the video in the link below. EWZ has a high IVR of 73, so we should be able to collect good premium. Once you have entered the ticker symbol, you'll need to select the monthly options chain that you will trade. We want to stay between 30 and 45 days to expiration. So in this case, we'll open up the December 16 chain since it's 34 days to expiration when we made this video. We select the 27 strike. We sell by clicking on the 96 cents since it's the bid and therefore makes the trade a sell. If we were to click on the $1.15 on the right side, then it would be a buy. We then adjust to the mid price of $1.05. One option contract equals 100 shares of stock, so this is equal to $105. This trade provides us with a very high probability of success of 80%, as you can see under the POP, which stands for probability of profit in the lower left. Now let's click on the curve mode on the Tastyworks trade platform. We will still be on the trade tab. However, we click on curve in the trade mode. So we're switching from table mode to curve mode. I like this mode because I'm visual and can see that we're profitable down to the break even of $25.95, which is the 27 strike price minus the $1.05 premium we collected when we placed the trade. Worst case, if the stock price goes down, we own the stock at $27, which is a 12% discount from the current price of $30.64. We hit review and send and place the trade. Once you have submitted your order, it will be sent to the market and it will be filled. You may need to adjust the trade by a penny or two from the mid price to get filled if it's not filled right away. From here, the next step is managing the trade. We won't get into that in this video. However, you can learn more about managing your trade in our other video, how to roll an options trade on Tastyworks. So keep an eye out for that one. It's coming soon. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below as well as comment and let me know your thoughts and if there's any questions on the video. Also be sure and grab the free Simplified Options Strategies Trading Guide. I'll put a link down below. It covers the different strategies, setups, how and when to put them on, max profit, and trade management. It's a great guide to have. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.